Okay, my name is Upendra. I am from Vizag, Andhra Pradesh. Yeah, I recently completed my BTech in the year of 2024 with the streaming of electrical and electronics engineering. Yeah, I get job from Parents and Software Solutions. They are feeling very proud and happy for my job. Yeah, here I recently joined Quality Thoughts in the month of June, and I learned lots of things what I need. And after I go to the training for internship in the Ramana shop, here also I have learned so many things in the practical experience. That's why it's very easy to crack that job. Yeah, here actually the role is for Python full stack developer. I learned skills like HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap for front end, and I learned Python and Django for back end purpose. These skills are help for getting the job. My training in the Quality Thought is very good. It's easy to learn and it's easy to achieve our goal. Yeah, in that Quality Thought, the guidance from the faculty and the junior lecturers also very good. By all these activities, I know very well. Their placement team also guiding me very well. They support me to get that job, and they always support for getting any type of jobs. They are conducting drives. They are always support for the students for any type of placements is present. My special thanks to that placement team who posted the jobs. Thank you so much. The training played very big role in my career. By going to the training, I learned lots of things which is related to the practical experience. So this type of training, it is very easy to get that job. Yeah, with my first salary, I give it to my parents, who is always support for my education and everything. I suggest my future aspirants to join Quality Thought for your improving your skills and practical experience for getting any type of job, what you want and what is required. Yeah, first in next 5 years, I want to become a good position in the software field. I getting experience and make improvement in my life. Thanks to Quality Thought and the Ramana shop for giving me internship. Everything. Thanks.